make no mistake, the National Party understands the value of Aboriginal cultural heritage. But what we have is an unworkable situation which is throwing thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on costs, which are unnecessary, onto private industry, private landowners, and making life very difficult for small business, making life almost impossible for farmers to know what they can do next. We've seen a situation where there is no proper structure in place for the rollout of this legislation. We were calling for a delay of the implementation of the legislation. That has been denied by the government. Now they've put in place some sort of a faux educative process for 12 months. Nobody knows what that means. All that's done is make more confusion. Now, anybody who's been to any of those so-called education sessions will know that many people leave more confused than when they arrived. They thought they knew what they were looking at, and then they leave full of questions because they're hearing contradictions, they're hearing different points of view. I've heard of some communities where there have been different presenters arrived from the department and had a different story to tell than each other. What's the community supposed to make of all that? Well, what they can make of that is if we're elected in 2025, we'll immediately review that legislation to ensure that it is fit for purpose, that it does what it sets out to do, and does it in a way that doesn't cause unnecessary disruption to communities, unnecessary disruption to business, and to all of the industries that make up our great regional Western Australian economy. That's what we'll do.